Alright, so we're here with Sean Bailey at the Puma Village. Talk to us a little bit more about the injury, Sean.
I mean, it's not really injury. It's more like inflammation behind the knee. I mean, I got it looked at this morning at the Adidas house. So it's more like inflammation, like fluid accumulation back there. So it was pulling on this hamstring here, causing it to overwork. So, I mean, we got it sorted, and right now behind there is very sore. So that's all it was.
You run a very good time in the East, and it's pretty unfortunate you were able to advance to the semi-final. But you had the second opportunity, but then, as you said, you picked up a slight lead. Where do we go from here now, Sean?
I mean, just try to find 2 more meets. Finish the season out strong. I feel like we're in the best shape we've ever been in. So, I mean, like, it's just very unfortunate with the circumstances that we were given, but I feel like we still have a lot more to give, so we're just going to try to run again, see what we can do.
About how long you think you may take to recover from this based on what the doctor indicated?
I mean, the doctor basically just told me that it's just a lot of soreness behind there because of overuse, and then not enough rest to come back and run like 12 hours later. So I mean, like 2 or 3 more days and then we should be fine.
So it's very unfortunate again that the 4x4, so you maybe could have a second opportunity.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to speak a little bit more about that unfortunate situation.
I mean, just like it is now. I mean, at trials, I mean, I was out there warming up for everybody that didn't know, but it's just unfortunate that we're feeling some niggles like we are feeling now, and we just didn't want to take the risk. I mean, we did feel bad about not helping the team qualify. I mean, we're all humans at the end of the day. We still have like contract needs to meet, and coming here and showing up is one of those needs. So I mean, I really wanted to be out there, but I didn't want to be selfish and go out there and pull up and not help the team qualify.
All right, thank you so much, Sean. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.